Hello, I'm Maxwell Van. We are officially on air. Newport News Public Schools transportation team was recognized during a special commemoration event at the new transportation facility. During the event, the Bluebird Corporation delivered its 15,000th propane bus to the school system, which has 62 propane buses in its fleet. Propane buses help to reduce fuel and maintenance costs, as well as reduce harmful emissions. After accepting the propane bus, the Propane Education and Research Council presented the school system with a Clean Energy and Innovation Award for its efforts helping to lower emissions and a healthier environment. Secondary Social Studies Instructional Supervisor Renita Williams has been named to serve on the Commission of African American History Education. The commission will review Virginia's history standards, instructional practices, content, and resources that are used to teach African American history to students in Virginia. We're going to take a quick break, but stay tuned because we're still on air.
Ryan, are you doing your homework?
Yes.
Are you sure you're doing your homework?
Yes.
Ryan, are you reading your book for school?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Ryan, you've got a test tomorrow. Are you in the bed?
Explore Virginia's natural heritage at the Virginia Living Museum, which is home to more than 250 species, such as fish, reptiles, birds, and even alligators. The Virginia Living Museum has a wide variety of fish and animals to see. They also have the Dinosaur Trail and the Children's Garden for kids, so come visit today.
Welcome back. I am Maxwell Van, and we've remained on air. Tonette Outland, the Instructional Supervisor for Career and Technical Education, has been named the President-elect of the Virginia Association of Career and Technical Education Administrators. Ms. Outland will be in charge of creating professional development opportunities for over 300 CTE administrators across the state. That's all the time we have for today. I'm Maxwell Van, and we will see you the next time that we are on air. Take care.